Checking my mileage, 207, start of the season. Yes, I'm holding a smart tree pole. Not comfortable indeed if asked. Well, I did a mile, and I'm just not comfortable filming on a scooter. Maybe a one wheel be better, but you know, sometimes filming is not what you want to do all the time when riding. Not working, Fish. DJI stopped recording. DJI stop recording. I don't use the Mimo app. Really got no use for something that can't go further than 8 feet for me. I do like using the DJI Mic 2 remote of the pair, and gives you a little vibration for start, single, and double for stop on the trigger. I got the phone right now, which I have to turn on and use, and I could just barely see you. How am I going to see the screen of the phone? I've been in contact with DJI and through email, and I'm also in contact via private message as well as publicly online. And let me tell you, hand and foot, we all don't get along. We all don't have the right answer. Just the head does. So if you're new to the channel and you're just a subscriber and don't watch all the videos, then you're left in the dust, not knowing. So I have to repeat myself because nobody else out there has the issue. Oh, I have to say that again. Nobody out there has the issue. See the eyes? They don't lie. I am using a DJI Mic 1 receiver and transmitter. Not on this video, but on my primary. And I tell you, I missed the DJI Mic 2 receiver and transmitter for the reasons of, I don't know. The one thing I miss is the noise canceling, because the DJI Mic 1 doesn't have it. Maybe I'm wrong, but I don't see it. It doesn't have it. And what are you gonna do? Worry about it? Nah, I'll get over it. I'll figure out my problem and find my own resolution. Well, off I go and out of here I go for better sounding videos than just the DJI Osmo Action 4 and the internal audio. I'm Fish, and I'll catch you on many videos to come.